Is SONN going to be the next treasury penny stock squeeze, which is going to go all the way upwards of the $100 levels, just like we saw SBT do? Or is this a ticker which is purely a pump and dump and you should stay away from? Well, in today's video, that's exactly what we're going to be answering. I'm going to be telling you guys exactly where to get in, where to get out, why is this ticker running, and much more. We're going to first start with the why, which is going to be a stock, analysis of the catalyst. Then we're going to be doing a stock analysis. Then we're going to be jumping on the charts, telling you guys where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's start talking. So SONN Biotherapeutics announces an $888 million business combination to launch a hype cryptocurrency treasury reserve strategy. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I'm tired of these crypto strategies, okay? Not crypto strategies, of these crypto treasuries. I'm tired of them. I'm already tired. I'm already done. I'm already fed up. Because every single company that previously was poorly ran, they weren't doing shit. I mean, SONN Biotherapeutics. What the fuck does a biotherapeutics company know about a layer 1 blockchain token? This is the worst. I think this is the worst thing that's happened to our markets since the NFT marketplace. Do you remember if you were trading in like 2021, 2022, every single company that wasn't doing anything, they would come out with this catalyst saying, we're launching a NFT marketplace. We're launching an NFT marketplace. This is not good. And you know how they're getting this $888 million? Do you know how they're getting it? They're getting it by selling your shares. Okay? They're not selling their fucking microscopes or whatever they got at Biotherapeutics, like SONN Biotherapeutics. They're not doing that. All right? They're selling your shares. That's how they're making their money. They're selling your shares. So for me, when you look at this, right, you kind of got to understand that, hey, the catalyst is dog shit. Okay, now here's the thing. Whoa. You would think the catalyst is dog shit, but here's the thing, and this is the part where you need to pay attention. As a good trader, it's your job to adapt. It's your job to adapt. Okay, it's your job to adapt to the markets. Right now, any and every company that's starting a Bitcoin treasury or a cryptocurrency treasury, their stock goes crazy. If you watched my video, I forgot what it was. Maybe it was a SQNS video or maybe it was a BTCS video or something like that. But I was like, listen, just buy anytime you hear treasury, crypto, buy that freaking stock. That's worth trading. So you know what, guys? We're going to put the catalyst as freaking amazing. Because the catalyst is amazing. Volatility, amazing, right? Now, the company's got a freaking, $30 million market cap. How is a $30 million market cap company supposed to go ahead and buy $888 million worth of crypto? Well, by adding to the float of the stock and just expanding and expanding. That's how they're going to do it, all right? So for me, there's that. Now, like that puts dilution at like, they're definitely going to dilute. Can it recover though? Well, we do have a couple of look-alike experiments that we can refer to. SBT being one of them. Wow, look at that. Would you look at that, man? I drew this line yesterday. Or not yesterday, a couple of days ago. Damn! That's technical analysis for you. That's technical analysis. Crazy, man. Literally came up, touched the level exactly I drew to a T, and then it flushed from there. Wow, man, wow. Anyways, enough gassing myself up. When you look at SBT, it ran from $4 to $50, dipped back down to $28, then it ran all the way over to $128. Now, here's the thing about this 124 rally. This over here was a little bit non-organic, okay? Because we had a Shakreli come out and he's like, oh, this stock has a lot of potential, blah, blah. And SBT was truly a pioneer in the treasury space, okay? So now we have every company coming out with a new treasury, right? In fact, we did launch a treasury ourselves, if I can find it. Let's search for the news. It was crazy stuff. Oh, look. Right here. TTA, Top Trade Academy. Top Trade Academy launches a $300 trillion Farcoin treasury. We're rich, guys. We're rich. Our stock is about to go up 1 billion%. All right? I mean, come on. $300 trillion? Of course. Put it all on Farcoin. Yes. How are we going to do so? We're going to sell some shares. Duh. It's crazy. It's crazy. So for me, you know, these, let it find the floor. So can it recover? What does recovery mean to you? Does recovery mean 27? Because it's not going to 27. Does recovery mean 20? It's not going to 20. Does recovery mean, you know, does recovery mean 15? Test of 15? That's possible. That's possible depending on where it finds its ground, right? Depending on where it finds its ground. Now, right now, it looks like it's got this solid level at 750. But for me, I think it can go all the way down to freaking 5 or 6 before it gives us a bounce back upwards, right? So, you know, this is one of those plays, man. This is one of those plays that's, you know, you're kind of stuck in. And I think that you're really never going to recover your money. I'm telling you right now, you're really never going to recover your money. And I'll tell you why you're never going to recover your money. And this is going to, I'm sorry that I'm saying this, but again, this is just my opinion, right? Look, the reality of the matter is that Bitcoin goes through phases, okay? Right now, we're in a bull market. Right now, we're in a crypto bull market. Agree? Good. Very good. The reality is a bear market is coming. And when a bear market comes, all these stocks, treasury this, treasury that, are going to get wiped out. First of all, who knows if fucking hype coin, is even gonna exist by the time we have another bull market, okay? By the time we have another bear market, bear cycle, and another bull cycle, who knows if anyone's even gonna care about hype, let alone $888 million worth of fucking hype. That's what these, it's stupid. I'm sorry, guys, it's stupid, all right? I'm sorry, I said it. It's my opinion. I think it's fucking dumb. Okay, because if you trade a crypto, you know tickers like Matic and, you know, and how, look, I mean, they never recover to their all-time highs. These altcoins, they usually don't recover. Like, once the hype cycle is done and the bear cycle comes back and the hype cycle comes out, there's always a new set of things to pay attention to. And here's another thing, right? And this comes down to all the companies that, even SBT, not just the ones that are holding Hypecoin, right? The ones that are holding maybe, you know, whether it's Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever it may be, right? Do you guys remember the last crypto pump when everyone was going crazy over Riot? And everyone was going crazy over Mara? Do you remember that? I remember that. Well, these tickers are nowhere near their all-time highs. Why? Because now there's a new trend in the markets. And the new trend is treasury. Treasury. That's the new trend. So I'm here to tell you, by the time we have another bear market and another bull market, which will happen, for you to say Bitcoin is not going to have another downtrend eventually, that's insane. I mean, that's craziness. That's just crazy. Because some shit's going to happen. Okay? That's it. All right? So, for you to say that a ticker like SONN is a fundamentally sound trade, you're insane. And why am I telling that? I'm telling that so you cut your losses. So the next time it's above 10, the next time it's getting to 12, the next time it's getting closer to 15, you cut your losses and you walk away. That's what I would do. It's your money. Hold on to it till it goes to fucking 0.00000. You do that. It's your money. I don't care. I'm just telling you what I would do. All right? What the hell do I know anyways? Nothing. Right? I don't know anything. I just got a freaking 80% win rate. Let's refresh this. It's Photoshop. July, no red days. June, 1 red day. May, 3 red days. April, no red days. This week I was in Dubai, so it's a little cheating, you could say. But anyways, listen, I could be wrong, okay? 1 out of 5 times I'm wrong. There are 250 trading days, 20% lose rate. That means there's 50 days that I'm wrong. So who knows? Maybe I'm wrong about SONN and SONN goes to fucking $300. For me, the catalyst is weak. Hypecoin is not going to last the test of time. It's just not, okay? And the chart also looks like dog shit. So for me, it's a no-go. Now listen. If you want to trade alongside me and you want to trade actual setups, Because there was a lot of setups. There was a lot of setups here available to trade. But now we're getting into the swing trading perspective of things, where you need to let the stock first establish a low before you go ahead and you purchase it, right? Come trade with me. If you guys want to trade with me every single day, right, where you can watch exactly what I buy, exactly what I sell, when I sell it, when I buy it, check out our community. Our community comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. We have over 400 members coming back month after month. They're making money. Give it a shot, okay? We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts. Today we made a killing trading some options, and also we did end up trading Win. This was actually Wint. This was actually a break even for us, but we ended up making a killing on Dare, Dare. That one was really good. Look at this. My man brought in 151%, 156% rather. Amazing stuff. And this was obviously last week. Last week we also made a killing. Maybe pause it and read some of these. My man making a killing over here. Give it a shot. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching Happiness in Trading. Right, one more thing. Right now, we do also have a sale on our Discord, on our community. If you go on the website, you will see the sale. It's the biggest sale we've had. It is only available for the next 10 people that check it out. So, first come, first serve. All right? And listen, even if those 10 spots are full, we have 400 people paying full price every single month. It's clearly worth it. There's clearly something going on that people are coming back for. So, just give it a try. See if you like it or not. That's it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching Happiness in Trading. You're always Sam from North Academy.